Have you ever felt trapped like there is no way out, no escape, no hope? That's exactly what happened with Musa alayhi salam and his people when they were crossing the Red Sea. But what happened next is one of the greatest miracles in the history. A reminder that even in the darkest moments, Allah always makes way. After years of operation, when Musa alayhi salam finally led the army of his people and they were on their way to cross the Red Sea, the water stretched before them and behind them was the army of Pharaoh ready to kill every single one of them. Fear spread among his people and they said, Musa, we are trapped, there is no way out. But Musa alayhi salam stood firm. With unshakable trust in Allah, he said, no, indeed with me is my Lord. He will guide me. At that moment, Allah commanded him to strike his staff on the water. And then the impossible happened. The sea split into two parts of water walls, making way for Musa alayhi salam and his people. Musa alayhi salam and his people rushed across, crossing the Red Sea. When Pharaoh and his army arrived, they saw the same pathway. Arrogantly, he charged forward, determined to capture Musa alayhi salam. But the moment when Musa alayhi salam and his people crossed the Red Sea, the sea started closing again. The sea came crashing down. The Pharaoh and his army was swallowed by the Red Sea. The believers stood in awe. They had faced certain death, yet Allah has saved them in ways they have never imagined. This Ramadan, let's reflect. Do we trust Allah even when life feels impossible? Do we believe that He will make a way even when we see no way? Just like Prophet Musa alayhi salam, true faith is in knowing even when all hope seems lost, Allah is always with us.